Okay. We are. Okay.
This is the moment, Alina. This is your moment.
Okay. Thank you. With the letters, yes. Here, I'm gonna switch you up. Okay. Why don't we, I'll switch up a little bit. Okay. And then here, if you want to hang on to me, I'll pull you up and then... Is that better? Yeah. Okay. Better. Yeah, so here's C. Looks like he's getting a little bit of work done.
He's got a little bit of oxygen. So we're going to start an IV. Okay. To give him some fluid because you don't want to see him while he's got that oxygen.
Can you get through?
No, you get out of his side.
Yeah, he is. Well, he has half of my tummy to himself.
Yeah, he had more room.
Do you want to move down or do you want to...
we can go down. Okay. Let's like just watch behind you. And this is B.
He's the smallest.
Oh, he's the smallest, but strongest because he blocked the birth canal, wouldn't let anybody else through. He made sure he was down there and no one went through first. Well, no, that was actually this one.
That's B over there. That's your A.
This is...
I know, but that's her B.
Yeah.
Oh,
the letters. Yeah. Yeah.
They know they're flop.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So, what was A is now B.
Yeah.
What was
I
B
imagine,
is now
yeah.
A.
So, whichever one comes out first is our A.
Yeah.
Okay,
So,
okay.
And that one
All
was
right,
closer.
get the record straight.
Exit.
I'm confused. I'm not confused.
Can you see?
Yeah, I can. I can't wait to compare and study face. So.
Y'all look the same.
He's just...
Yeah, he looks very comfortable.
Both of these boys are sprawled out. I know, they were like... They were all tucked in.
Finally. Oh, well, this one looks like your side, dad's side of the family.
Dad here?
Yeah, like your dad's side of the family. Look at his head.
Get a little bit close. Wayne, we're right behind you, Wayne.
Okay.
Look at that head and the hair, the bald spot that he'll have when he gets older.
That's what we said about Levi, too.
Yeah.
My big brother.
Like Levi?
No, not really.
No?
I thought they would, but, now that I'm looking at the contact and stuff, they're a little different, so, of course. Yeah.
Messy there, buddy.
Fun. Yeah, this one looks like Grandpa, when you see Grandpa. The hair.
Yeah.
The hair.
Oh, good.
Yeah, the bald spot, the way it starts balding, looks like Grandpa.
Okay.
Oh, fun.
They're both the biggest onions.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's the tongue. Yeah, he was the one, wasn't he? Yep.
Yeah, this
so
one.
both just breathing fine, no assistance for anything.
No, these two are
Wow.
awesome.
Good. All right.
Really good.
Fun. Looking forward to be able to come back on my own.
So you'll be, it'll be tomorrow before they